also created a playlist of my birthday series wherein I've put all of the episodes that I've done yet in the series. So I will make sure to leave the link of that playlist in the description box below. So if you haven't watched any of the episodes, you can go ahead and do that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, as you've already read by the thumbnail and by the title, I'm gonna be creating this beautiful winter makeup look for dry skin people. And I have shared a lot of makeup tips as well. Also product recommendations भी आपको मिल जाएंगे कि winter season में आप कौन से products use कर सकते हो. And also I will be showing you how to create this makeup look. So it's gonna be a lot of information, and if you guys want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching the video till the end. And now without any further ado, I think we should just get started with today's video. So let's start, and I have already bought the basket in front of me, and I will be featuring products from here. I've already done all of my skincare, which is moisturizer, toner, sunscreen, and all of that. After that is done, we will straight away move on to the best product for winter season and the most important product for a winter season, which is a stroke cream. And we'll be of course using the Dot & Key Strawberry Dew in the Spotlight Stroke Cream, which is my favorite stroke cream these days. I have talked about it in a full length video where I've talked a lot about 3 Dot & Key products that I absolutely love, which will be linked in the description box below, and also you'll find in the end screen. So make sure to click and watch it. It's the first episode of the birthday series, and this will be the 6th episode of the birthday series. So yeah, make sure to watch it. As I said, I absolutely loved it. I've been featuring this product in the birthday series quite a lot because winters mein, you need that glow, that subtle tint on your skin, that pinkish glow, pinkish tint. And I don't know camera क्यों नहीं catch कर रहा है, but इसको एक थोड़ा सा, there is a strawberry tint to it, a pinkish glow, reddish glow kind of a tint. So I'm going to be dotting this all over my face and then blending it with my hands. So let's go. Look at the face. यहाँ पे मैं ज़्यादा stroke cream लगाती हूँ because you get that glowy and that pinkish reddish tint on your face, which looks proper wintry. So yeah, after that's done and my base is pure dewy, we will move on to our primer. For primer, I will be using the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base because इस product को इतना glow है and I absolutely need that glow right now. This is in the shade 01 Natural Tint. मैं बिल्कुल इसको थोड़ा सा लेने वाली हूँ अपने back of the hand पे. Then I'm going to apply it on the cheeks like this. थोड़ा थोड़ा ही लगाऊंगी because again primer बहुत important है winter season में. अगर आप इसके अलावा भी एक प्राइमर लगाना चाहते हो तो यू कैन डू दैट बिकॉज प्राइमर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपकी स्किन मॉइस्चराइज दिखना, हाइड्रेटेड दिखना और स्मूथ दिखना विंटर सीजन में बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड फॉर अ ड्राई स्किन पर्सन लाइक अस, अगर आप भी ड्राई स्किन हो तो आपको रिलेट करेगा. हमारे लिए तो स्किन वेल प्रेप्ड होना इन विंटर सीजन इज़ हाईली इम्पोर्टेंट. तो अगर आप एक दूसरा प्राइमर लगाना चाहते हो तो आप वो कर सकते हो. मेरी स्किन मुझे अभी बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. लुक एट द स्किन, आप एब्सोल्युटली लगेंगे. मुझे पता नहीं कितना कैमरा कैच कर रहा है, बट मुझे इन रियलिटी मेरी स्किन काफ़ी अच्छी लग रही है. मैं ऐसे भी बाहर निकल सकती हूँ थोड़ी लिपस्टिक लगा के, एंड दैट्स ऑल. But yeah, I love this. Can you see that glow? I hope the camera is catching. But yeah, दिस इज़ वॉट आई डू. और अभी मैं थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लगाऊंगी बिकॉज कैमरा बिल्कुल फोकस नहीं करेगा वरना. बट इन रियलिटी मैं बहुत कम अमाउंट लेती हूँ एंड बहुत कम अमाउंट लगाती हूँ बिकॉज ये प्राइमर मेरे स्किन को वो प्राइमर के बेनिफिट्स भी देता है एंड ग्लो भी देता है, जो एब्सोल्युटली लव्ड. तो वो बात है. लुक द फेस, आई कांट स्टॉप शोइंग यू माई फेस. ओके, after that's done, I think we should quickly move on to our base product. I was contemplating whether I should go with the foundation or I should go with the skin tint. And then I was like कि winter season में dry skin person के लिए products लगाना would be absolutely awesome. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with a skin tint, and for today I'll be using this Lakme Vitamin C Super Glow Skin Perfecting Tint, and this is how it looks like. इसका review बहुत ही जल्दी birthday series में ही आने वाला है, तो stay tuned for that. So इसको मैं थोड़ा सा अपने back of the hand पे लूँगी. Then of course I'll be dotting it all over my face and then going to blend it with the beauty blender. Just look at the base. I'm absolutely loving it. और ये जो स्किन टेंट है इसको एक अच्छा सा ग्लो है. इसका कवरेज काफ़ी श्योर है, मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा श्योर है. बट इसको ना एक टाइप ऑफ इफेक्ट है जो लगाने के बाद आपको पता चलता है. स्किन इज क्वाइट लूमिनस एंड आई एम एब्सोल्युटली लविंग इट. अगर आप फाउंडेशन लगाना चाहते हो तो लैक्मे का लूमी मैट फाउंडेशन वुड बी परफेक्ट बिकॉज वो ड्राई स्किन पे काफ़ी अच्छा वर्क करता है. प्लस फॉर विंटर सीजन इट्स परफेक्ट बिकॉज इट गिव्स यू लूमिनस मैट फिनिश. का लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. पर अगर आप स्किन टेंट पर जाना चाहते हो दिस इज अ रियली गुड ऑप्शन फॉर ड्राई स्किन पर्सन. दिस इज वेरी वेरी गुड एंड इट गिव्स अ लूमिनस इफेक्ट इज वेल. श्योर कवरेज है बट टोटली गुड. डिपेंड्स फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. अगर आप काफ़ी एवरीडे मेकअप कर रहे हो एंड यू डोंट वांट टू पुट दैट मच कवरेज ऑन टू योर फेस, यू कैन लीव इट हियर, यू कैन सेट इट विद अ कॉम्पैक्ट एंड देन मूव ऑन टू द अदर स्टेप्स. बट इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ वेरी वेरी medium sort of a coverage or high sort of a coverage makeup, then you would need a concealer. Even though if you're using a foundation, I think you would need a concealer. And for concealer today I will be using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer because absolutely holy grail. Look at the applicator, it's so chunky. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply the concealer wherever I need it. That's it. That means under my eyes, on the acne marks which I don't see much, touch wood, and a little bit here and there. That's all because skin tint ने already अपना वो थोड़ा effect पूरे face पे डाल दिया है. Already I've used a Lumi cream, highlighting primer, so my skin is glowing, very very healthy looking. So I don't need that much of concealer. Just जहाँ जहाँ पे ज़रूरत है हम वहाँ पे लगाएंगे. So yeah, let's go. Look at the amount I've put the concealer in. Very 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 light because ये काफ़ी high coverage concealer है तो मुझे ज़्यादा amount लगाने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. So the concealer I've put all over my face. Then again taking the same beauty blender and will be blending all of this in. Okay, that's my face after blending a concealer. For after that I will be setting because मैंने concealer use किया है उसके लिए नीचे skin tint use किया है. I need to set all of that in. So for that I'll be using this L'Oreal Infallible Oil Killer Compact. This is how it looks like. I'll be using the same beauty blender and I will be just setting all of that in. I am loving the base right now. So good. We'll be moving on to our eyes. So for eyeshadow today I will be using the Nykaa eye color. This is the Nykaa Night Out palette, 4-in-1 quad eyeshadow palette in the shade Night Out. And I will be using the brown color from this palette because हमें काफ़ी earthy look करना है as it is winter/fall season. तो मैं ये shade को use करूँगी अपने crease में ताकि वो depth और वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा warmth create हो जाए. Lightly take the eyeshadow, dab off the excess. Okay, so can you see? Okay, after that's done, हम लोग हमारे main eyeshadow को लेंगे. Taking that on my brush, tapping off the excess. I think that's perfect. That's the minimal shadow you should put. उसके बाद एज आई ऑलरेडी सेट कि अगर आप एवरीडे में कर रहे हो तो आई शेडो भी लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप अपना ब्रॉन्जर या फिर कुछ भी लगा सकते हो. बट इफ़ यू गोइंग फॉर अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ग्लैम लुक आई वुड सजेस्ट टू यूज दिस गोल्डन शिमरी शेड. Take it on your hand, like finger like this. Look at the pigmentation and just keeping it that earthy moment going on. I'm just going to put it in the crease. Look at the pigmentation. And दूसरे हाथ से I'm gonna dab and blend it in that place. ठीक है, तो वो अंदर की साइड थोड़ा सा ग्लिटर हो जाएगा. Not too much, not too less, you can say, but it's for totally glam looks. तो अगर आप everyday look में जा रहे हो तो only brown color or no brown color, just crease color would be perfect. So yeah, that was for eyeshadow. Now we'll be using our eyeliner. Again, it depends from person to person. अगर आप नहीं लगाना चाहते तो that's also really perfect. For eyeliner today, I will be using the Lakme Colossal Liner, and this is how it looks like. I'm gonna do eyeliner off camera and then I'll be back. I think I'm done with my eyeliner. As you can see, looks perfect for this look, I guess. Yeah, we'll be moving on to our next product, which is mascara, of course. And for mascara today, I will be using the Maybelline Colossal, the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. Currently, I'm using it and loving it totally. Look at the wand. Just beautiful. Just gonna lightly load my eyelashes with it. Look at those eyelashes. एकदम से वॉल्यूम दे देता है ये मस्कारा. Product does wonders as well, and it is under 500 rupees. It's affordable. It works really well. This was my first Maybelline mascara that I've tried, and I'm still absolutely loving it. So yeah. Okay. So we will be moving now to our blush highlighter section. As I don't do contour, I won't be doing it today as well. So for blush, I'll be using this or either my lipstick. Both are cream products, and I think right now in winter season, I love to use cream products more on my face. So one is this Nykaa Get Cheeky blush in the shade Rosy Rush, and second is this Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Pose Lip and Cheek Color in the shade Blush Velvet. So यही मैं अपने lips पे लगाने वाली हूँ. So I was thinking कि maybe यही मैं अपने cheeks पे भी लगाऊँ, but this is also a very beautiful shade. So इसका भी link मैं आपको description box में दे दूँगी और इसका भी link मैं आपको description box में दे दूँगी. So you can check out both of them. एक lip and cheek tint है, इसका साथ doe foot applicator आता है. This is in the shade Blush Velvet. This is my holy grail shade. So इसमें मैं क्या करती हूँ is I smile and I just put 2 dots of it on each cheek. And generally तो मैं अपने हाथों से ही blend करती हूँ, but today I'll be blending it with a beauty blender. So let's go. Just आसानी से ये blend हो गया है. I'm loving it. That this is also blended so nicely. I love this product. Look at that effect. Absolutely love this lipstick का effect on my cheeks. As it is a lip and cheek tint. ये cheeks पे भी काफी अच्छे तरीके से work करता है. And also I love the color. So of course. And मैं थोड़ा सा nose पे भी लगाऊंगी. Okay, now I'm scared because मैंने directly लगा लिया है अपने nose पे. Okay. Yeah. It looks good. Look at that. It looks good, right? Okay. So after that, हम highlighter की बारी है. So for highlighter, again I'm using the Swiss Beauty Highlighting Primer, the Real Makeup Base. इसको भी मैं थोड़ा सा अपने हाथों पे लूँगी and इसको बस अपने high points of the cheeks पे लगाएंगे. For example, high points of the cheeks पे नहीं, high points पे लगाएंगे तो high points of the cheeks पे like this, on the bridge of your nose, like Cupid's bow में भी. Done. As you can see, थोड़ा सा highlight हो जाता है. So after that's done, we are straight away just left with our lipstick. So obviously जैसा कि मैंने बोला कि मैं यही lipstick को लगाने वाली हूँ. So let's go. This is a beautiful shade, guys. Trust me. You should get your hands on this shade. if you wash out कर देगा deeper and deeper skin tones को. But मेरे skin tone के आसपास अगर आपका skin tone है तो आपको ये definitely काफ़ी अच्छा shade लगेगा. This is how it looks like. I absolutely love this shade. This is like a very blushy pinky sort of a shade. That's pretty much it for my winter makeup look. मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा थोड़े थोड़े से टिप्स भी शेयर किए हैं, शायद रफ रिकमेंडेशंस भी शेयर किए हैं, एंड मैंने ये मेकअप लुक भी शेयर किया है. So I really hope it was helpful for you and you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a biggest possible thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section how did you like it. Any other video request you have for the birthday series or after that as well, let me know in the comment section below. And also please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. एंड ऐसे ही बर्थडे सीरीज को देखते रहना. डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक रहेगी बर्थडे सीरीज के प्लेलिस्ट की. अगर आपने कोई वीडियो वॉच नहीं किया है तो डू गिव इट अ वॉच. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'll guys see you in my next video super soon. Until then, bye, take care.